Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time here. I'm Jaisha and welcome to a brand new video. Today we are going to be doing a little unboxing of the brand new hair care line Fenty Hair by none other than Miss Rihanna Fenty. In case you've been living under a rock, Rihanna came out with a hair care line, Fenty Hair, as part of the Fenty Beauty empire. And listen, let me just tell y'all, if you thought I loved Beyonce, if you watched my Sacred video, you know. If you thought I loved Beyonce, it does not compare to my love for Rihanna. Like, Rihanna was first, for me at least, because I wasn't a Beyonce fan from day one. That's new. I've been in love with Rihanna since 2005. Pun to replay. Them times there, yes. Her fashion, her hairstyles, her realness. Look, if you were around for the Twitter beefs, the Rihanna Twitter beefs back in the day, like when Twitter was popping, when it was kind of just getting started, 2011, 2012-ish, you know the real Rihanna. She's a savage, and it was a time. You just had to be there. Anyways, I love Rihanna, but as always, I'm going to be honest about my review. I paid for these products. They were not sent to me, and I just want to be clear that my love for an artist is never going to affect what I think about their products. So we're going to be unboxing my Fenty package. I'm going to show you guys what I got and why I chose the products that I chose, because no, I did not buy every single thing that they came out with. Unfortunately, I cannot do a review right now because obviously my hair is in faux locks. I wish she would have given us a little bit more notice on when these products were going to drop so that I could have planned better. I bought the products right away, but I already had the appointment booked to do my hair, so it is what it is. But there will be a review coming, I promise, as soon as these locks come out. Okay, so first they sent me some free samples. I actually got to choose which samples I wanted when I placed my order. So I chose the Fenty Icon Semi-Matte Lipstick, and they gave me three different colors from that. And then I also chose a sample size of this Fenty perfume. And I think I've smelled this before. I never bought the Fenty perfume. I smelled it and it just wasn't really my scent, that kind of profile. I like really fruity, floral, sweet-ish kind of scents. I got the sample because I still want to try it out. I have been trying to branch off into different scents, and so, you know, sometimes you smell something in the store or just on your wrist and it might be a little bit different when you actually have it on your skin and you're wearing it the whole day and it kind of just mixes with your natural oils and pheromones. It might be a little bit different, so I'm gonna try that out and see if I like it. But yeah, I didn't come here for perfume, so on to these products. I got the rich one. This is the Moisture Repair shampoo. This was $29. And then of course I had to get the deep conditioner. I got the richer one. This is the Moisture Repair Deep Conditioner. This was the same price, $29. And lastly, I got the jelly type. This is a stronghold gel. If you know, you know. I loves me a Strongholds gel. This was $26. Ooh. Let me smell. This gel smells good already. Oh. It kind of smells like perfume, but like hair. Like, I don't know. It smells like a hair product. It has like a fresh, clean hair scent to it, which actually I kind of like. The deep conditioner. Wow, that smells good. They all pretty much have the same scent profile. It has this like fresh and light scent to it. It smells like what you would imagine clean hair smells like. So I like that. I'm not very big on, you know, perfume, heavy scented products, but the fact that it's light and it just has a crisp smell to it, I kind of like it. I think Rihanna's a perfume. She's a scent kind of girl, so she definitely did her thing with that. Starting with the shampoo, the bottle is very sturdy. Like, this is not a plastic bottle. I don't know what material this is, like tin, iron, no. What's it called? It's like a can. No, aluminum, I don't know, but it's sturdy, it's hard. It's probably because I see a lot of Fenty Beauty products where they are refillable, and I'm guessing this might be another one of those, or maybe they're just being eco-friendly, not using plastic. This is 10 fluid ounces, and the claims are that it hydrates, replenishes, strong strands start here. I talked about this before. I don't try out a lot of different shampoos. I don't necessarily feel like there's that, well, at least I didn't before. I never really felt like there was like a comparison or a bar for shampoo. It's just kind of like, does it clean my hair or does it not? Like, that was it. But the last new shampoo that I tried out, I actually felt a difference in what I had been using before. So now I kind of know what I like and what to look for when I'm trying out new shampoos. But I still don't feel like shampoo is something that you need to be trying out all over the place. Like, you could just find one that works and be fine with it. So the deep conditioner, this is the richer one, Moisture Repair Deep Conditioner. This is 11.5 fluid ounces, and if you are not new here, then you know how much I love and constantly talk about the importance of deep conditioning. Deep conditioning is such a staple in my hair care routine. I don't skip a week of deep conditioning. That's just where my moisture comes from, and it's just a non-negotiable for me. So if I'm ever trying out a new product, new hair care line, if there is something that I always have on deck with my hair products, it is a deep conditioner. So I'm excited to try this out. Something that I did just notice on this bottle, it says ultra loaded with moisture to soften, repair, prevent damage and split ends. But what I did just notice is there's not really any instructions on these bottles. Which, I mean, I guess it's not necessary, but when it comes to deep conditioners, I like to see what their suggested time is for how long to leave the product in your hair. Sometimes you look at the back of a bottle and it will say leave on for 10 to 15 minutes, or it'll say leave on for 30 minutes with a cap, or it'll tell you to add heat. That's just something I look for, just to have kind of a guideline on how to use the product, mostly when it comes to deep conditioning. Like, obviously shampoo and gel, like, you don't really need an explanation on how to use that, but I feel like deep conditioner, you want to let it do its job. So I typically look for that, but no big deal. The jelly type stronghold gel. This gel was $26 and it is 7 fluid ounces. I lied. I just noticed that instead of instructions or directions, there are pictures on here, which I guess those are the instructions. Those are the pictures, I guess, step 1 and step 2. This is the deep conditioner. Here is the gel instructions, slicking back or ponytail. It just doesn't have any words. You're kind of left on your own to interpret what the picture is. I love me a stronghold gel for my wash and go. Soft hold, medium hold, it's not doing the job. Stronghold is just where it's at. Like, I don't mind a little bit of crunchiness with my wash and go, and for me the most important thing is definition and longevity. If a gel says that it is hydrating or moisturizing, then I know it is not going to last. And that's great. Hydration, moisture, yes, but it's one or the other. Like, we kind of have to choose. This gel kind of seems like it is more so for slicking your hair back and like laying your hair down, but I am gonna try it out for a wash and go. I've never seen a gel that was made just to slick your hair back. Like, why can't I use it for wash and go too, right? I feel like gels should be multi-purpose. Like, you should be able to, you know, slick your hair down with it, do a wash and go, do a twist out, you know, refresh your hair with it, whatever. Like, it should have multi-purposes. So I can't see this being only for slicking your hair down, but we are gonna find out as soon as these locks come out. So I got the products that made sense for me, like the things that I keep in, the things that I typically use in my hair care routine. Like I said, I always have a deep conditioner on deck. I love a good gel for my wash and go. They also have a curl cream, which I didn't get because I just don't really do curl creams. Definitely not for my wash and goes. They do not give me the hold or the definition that I like, or the longevity of my style. Like, it just doesn't last for me. I only really use curl creams if I'm doing a twist out or a braid out, but my go-to is a wash and go. So I'm always looking for products that will give me the best wash and go, and curl creams, they just don't last. My hair doesn't last when I'm using a curl cream, so I didn't even bother with that. So technically Fenty Hair does not have a leave-in conditioner. I would have gotten it if they did, because I like to use leave-ins on my hair before I use gels whenever I'm doing my wash and goes. What they do have is something called the Comeback Kit, which is a instant damage repair treatment bond builder. I had to look at that because the name was so long. So this product says that it can be left in like a leave-in, or you can rinse it out. And the purpose is to hydrate, strengthen, detangle, all good qualities for a leave-in. But it also says it repairs damage and repairs split ends using their Replenicore 5 bond building technology. And I believe all of the products have this Replenicore bond building technology. However, if I'm being honest, the wording of that doesn't necessarily sit right with me, because anytime I see a brand or a product promising to be able to repair damage or repair split ends, I automatically think they're full of shit, and it's just a marketing tactic. Damaged hair is damaged hair. Split ends don't come back together and become one. If your hair has, you know, chemical damage, heat damage, color damage, there's no reversing that. The bonds are broken and you gotta cut your losses and move on. Now, that's just my opinion. I am not a scientist. I am not a cosmetologist. I don't know the science of hair, but logically, that's just what makes sense to me. Because think about it, your hair is already dead protein. It's dead. It can't come back alive. It can't fix itself. You just gotta cut your losses and move on. So I tend to side-eye companies that make claims like that, because it's a very bold claim to make, but there's probably not necessarily a way to test these claims. But I'm gonna try these products out for the love of Riri, and I'm just hoping that I really like them and they work. I'm hoping they're like salon quality good products. I can still smell these products even though they're closed. They're sitting in front of me and the scent is amazing. I love that she gave us so many options to start out with. I love that there are styling products to start out with. I am just I can't believe that Rihanna came out with a hair care line. Like, I don't know why. I just did not see it coming, but I'm super excited because, again, I love Rihanna. So as soon as these faux locks come out, first wash day, I'm giving you guys a review, so stay tuned for that video. And then I'm also gonna come back with an updated review after using the products for some time, let you know, do I like it, do I not like it, did it make a difference in my hair, all the details, the lowdown, the scoop, everything, and whether or not, most importantly, you should spend your coins on these products. If you already have these products, if you have tried them out already, please leave me a comment and let me know how you liked it. So that's it for my Fenty Hair unboxing. Thank you guys for watching. Hit the subscribe button if you want to see my review that's going to be coming soon on these products, and then my updated review after that. And I will catch you in my next video. Bye.